Boom. Can you hear me? Yeah, you should be able to hear me. Uh, do. What about now? Darn it! Come on. Do. Wait, can you, stop calling me and then call me back. If you can hear me, then stop. Just stop. Options. Yeah. Okay. Hello? Hello? Call me back if you can hear me, Cameron. Do. Doi. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Come on. Work. I can't hear you. Come on. Yeah. Hey, man. Friends. Cameron. Hello?
I can hear you on my iPad.
You can hear me on my iPad?
Yeah.
Oh, well then okay. Then, close. So, are you on my, are you on the stream right now?
I'm supposed to be, on my iPad.
Okay, let me just...
Schedule a live stream event. So we can schedule it for now. Right here, we can set the date.
I'm here.
The time. We can then title it right here. So you put the title of the stream right here. And then what will happen is when we go live now, or if I set it for later, whatever it is, I will create an event. Now, when I create an event, it'll show up to my subscribers. It'll be sent out to their feed, and it'll let them know, okay, at this time, I'm going to be streaming this game, or I'm going to be streaming this event, okay? And it'll come.
Do. Okay.
Okay, I would recommend a relevant time. Make sure you schedule it correctly in your time zone.
What? Okay.
Under advanced settings, you're going to see a few different things. Now, under chat, you can either enable or disable chat. Now, if you're going to stream something, you're probably going to want to be interactive, so you probably don't stream. And you can actually decide when you want to play an ad. Again, you've got to be a partner with YouTube to be able to do that. And if you want to know how to do that, I'll have the link down below on how to become a YouTube partner and set up Google AdSense and run ads on your videos. Now, back to the streaming. Now, once we get the event set up, we're now going to need to set up our stream. In order to do that, under or above the events link here, you're going to see a link that says stream now. You're going to see something that looks like this. Now, under this here, this is where all the magic happens. This is where you have to set up your stream so that it works later when your event goes live. Now, let's start from the beginning. The first thing I'm going to tell you is this. You can move any of these boxes around. So if you want chat to be under your video when you're live streaming, you can just click and hold and move it there. So just click on this little square in the upper right-hand corner here, the gray square, and then just move it over. So I can move any of these. I can move the live stream over here, then I can actually move the chat up here. And again, you're going to have to kind of play around with it and get the UI the way you want. Now, let's go ahead and put this guy back over here where he was, and then put the video back up here. Now, if we go down to the bottom, we're going to see some pretty important stuff. Now, right here where it says live streaming checklist, it basically tells you what you have to do, okay? So set up your encoding software, okay? So your encoding software is going to be like OBS or what other software that you may use to live stream to Twitch or wherever you may be live streaming. So if you're using OBS or XSplit or whatever you may be using, you need to set that up. Now, if I go and open up my OBS here, you can see me here. You got my audio recorded there, so don't worry about any of that. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. Here's my OBS. I got it set up. Now, you need to know where to find your information. So if you go to settings here and then go to stream and OBS, I can set the service to YouTube, and then it'll come up with my stream key right here. I also have a video on how to find your stream key if you don't already know how to do that. But in OBS, now this is the Mac version, and the Windows version is the same basically thing. You just click on stream, and then you select your service, whether it be Hitbox, Twitch, YouTube, whatever, and then select the server, and then get your stream key. Now, once you get your stream key, copy and paste that, and then go back over to YouTube. The server URL will already be provided for you, and then all you have to do is go ahead and paste the stream key under the encoder setup down below. So once you've done that, your encoder is set up. Now, obviously, you've got to go into OBS or XSplit and set up your scene like I have here with your webcam, your desktop, and whatever your audio may be. You got to know that in your streaming software and make sure that's ready to go. So once you've set up your encoding software, you then want to move on to adding the information for your stream. So as you see here, earlier, or a couple days ago, I streamed some Hearthstone, playing some Hearthstone, and I titled it, Heroes of the Storm. It was Hearthstone, but it didn't change to Heroes of the Storm. I put playing Heroes of the Storm, come play and hang out with the guru, okay? So I just titled my stream, and then I went right here and put a little something in the description, like playing this week's new Tavern Brawl with the viewers. And again, I know that's Hearthstone. Don't give me a grief about it. I was changing games in the middle of the stream. Sorry about that. And then I gave them an option to add me on Battle.net so we could play together with the viewers. Then I went down and changed the category to gaming, obviously, and then I added the game name right here. So go ahead and type the game name there. You want people to know kind of what game you're doing. Now, as you're changing stuff here, you'll see this up here. It'll say changes are being saved. It'll change automatically, and it'll say all changes have been saved. Now, this button right here in the upper left-hand corner that says offline, this little circle thing here, that's going to let you know, yep, you are offline. In order to go live, you need to go to OBS or whatever it is and go ahead and start streaming. You can change the stream options right here. You can enable DVR. Now, DVR...
Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
I will not be live streaming because I'm eating lunch.
Okay.
I could probably be back on within 30 minutes, hopefully.
Okay.
So I'll see you in about 30 minutes. Bye.
Bye. Maybe I can use do 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 do. Do 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 do.
VR is obviously pretty simple to understand.
How to go on in the camp. With and then I'm going to show you how to use Bandicam and how to make a live commentary with Bandicam, as I'm doing right now. So when you first start Bandicam, it's going to show up like this, right here. And that's going to be your, basic Bandicam. And you actually go to the installation. Just finish the installation. It's pretty simple. So you're going to open it up. You're going to say yes, I want to make the changes. And as soon as this happens, you're going to see this thing show up right here. And that is the Bandicam. I got it unregistered. I just got this one, the free trial. But don't worry. So now what you want to do is see as I'm recording, my volume up to the front. So general settings and everything, where the hotkeys and everything, where to record. This is where where it's going to be, the videos are going to be at. So over here, you want to go, if you want to add a microphone, you go to video right here. You're going to say record hotkey, all the things up here. You're going to click on settings. And over here on settings, it's going to be it's going to pop up in a new window. It's going to say record sound media, obviously, and their primary sound device. Now, this is what my normal one was on. This is all the audio from like the computer itself. So then all you do is like noise of whatever you're recording, like let's say the game sound. But if you want to, you could switch it here to microphone and or whatever shows up. Because this is mine. I have a Turtle Beach. I'm using Turtle Beach's Air Force XL1s right now. So this is what shows up. If you put that, that's what you start talking. I don't know if my mic is working, but secondary sound device, you might want to try the Windows 7 sound. But that's too loud, and I don't know how to sync up the volume track. So if you would, try to fix that out, but leave a comment in the video below if you want to do that. But that just helps you a lot. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And another thing is just pretty much it. Then you click record, and you got a recording. So thanks for watching, and please like, comment, subscribe. Like if you like this video, please drop a like.
Alright, doing a live commentary. Oh my goodness, got the news on my team. Look at the live leaderboard. Look at El Presido feasting. 3 kills per second.
This is hard. Darn it. Cameraman. It's fine. Duh. Stop broadcasting.